Traders, welcome back to another video. Finishing up the day red. Hope everyone had a fantastic day. Um, it was a good day nevertheless. Why it was a good day even though it was red? Well, because I have another day to learn from my mistakes. I have another day to chase the opportunities, and it's just another day to learn. So, even if it's red, even if it's green, even if it's purple, whatever color, um, you got to be thankful for everything, and just realize, just have an end goal in mind, and know that you'll reach bumps along your path heading to it, and that's it. Just treat them just like bumps. Like don't treat them like as if they're the biggest thing in the world. Just treat them like what they are. There's minor setbacks, just like any uptrend. They're minor setbacks, but you just want to overall have a growth. Even if it's not a growth on your P&L, you want to grow as a person. You want to grow from your mistakes, and just keep on trying, keep on going, and um, if your intention is true, if your intention is pure, you will make it. You will create what it is you desire. So let's get into this. Enough of the emotional. I mean, not emotional talk, but enough of the little motivation. But I hope that helps for anyone else having a red day. I mean, I don't feel beat up. I'm not sad. I'm not mad. I'm not angry. I'm just I know, and I've come to the conclusion and the realization in the acceptance that this is gonna happen. Even when you become a multimillionaire, there's always going to be setbacks. But the difference between the people that make it and not is how they approach these setbacks. What do they do after this? Are they going to beat themselves up over it, or are they just going to learn from it and continue? So, let's get to it. First trade, as we can see, Amazon, I took it short, and I took a position at 2346, so 2346.66. Now, why I took a position here? Well, reason being, we were downtrending. We had a support level, cracked under, bounced, finding lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. I shorted at this breakdown here. Um, Now I had my stop. I wanted my original entry to be at 2350 with a stop at 2360. I got in filled for $4 late. So once I came to my entry, 2350, once again, so I started off $4 down. So if I would have hit my stop, I would have been 14 points down instead of just 10 points. So this caused me to get shaken out on this spike up, and as you can see, it ended up hitting my 2-to-1 target. If I go right there, 10-point risk, it ended up hitting 2320. My entry was 2346. What I got out for 16 points. But that's what if, and whatever. That was my plan. Just got shook out though from these strong green candles to the upside. As you can see, there was no volume for these green candles, and all the volume was selling volume in the morning. So, 100% got emotional. Came out with a loss, and yep, that was that. That shows me that I have to just stick to my plan, learn how to stick to my plan, and that's it. Um, so now this is opening candle. We can clearly see that buyers were in control of this stock in the morning. So this led me to being long. We've been uptrending the whole pre-market, and now I was just looking for a continuation of the move and possible move to 137. So now I took a position at 135.66. So 135.66 was right here. So why I took a position here? Well, reason being is we had a resistance, a lower resistance. We ended up breaking out of it, having a pullback, and I ended up taking a position on, if I'm not mistaken, I took a position here on this green candle. Um, had my stop $1, so I was risking to 134.66 right there. So once I got my uptrend, I raised my stop to 135, then raised my stop to one break even. So since I got in a little early and instead on the breakout of 136, and I noticed some weak, I had time to be able to sell for still a profit. I was up about 80 bucks at one point, um, about here, and I just ended up selling for 24 bucks. I waited for the pullback. I anticipated a push up and a continuation of the move. Didn't get it, so no biggie there. I think at this exact same time, 9:54. Wolf Spy was starting to head down right here, so led me to sell. No biggie. Got out for $24 win. And that was my only winner of the day actually. So, um, now Disney. I took a long on Disney. Why I took a long on Disney? We had a resistance, a support level. 108 held pretty strongly. Had a continuation of its move. I missed this 109.50 break. Missed that move, so I looked for the next pullback. I was waiting for the next pullback. I anticipated a breakout of this 110. So I got in at Disney at 110. If I'm not mistaken, I think I got in here on this green candle. So we had a push here. We opened candle. We broke out of the 1010, the 110 level barely. Pulled back and then just started going against me and uh, ended up hitting my stop loss. I held it to my stop loss. Could have sold right here just for like a $20 loss, but decided to hold to my stop loss. Giving the stock the benefit of the doubt that it was uptrending and I was just trying to follow the trend. Short term being, I could have just sold, got out for a $20 loss, and if it came back to 110, I would have got in, and then had a $20, 20-cent stop or something like that. Didn't work out that way, but that would have been a smarter idea. Um, so that was Disney. So now MMM, I got in on MMM. I got in MMM at 162.14. So got in at 162.14. This one was in profits as well. So we were just getting above the resistance. Took a position above 162. Once this pulled back and then had a continuation, this was super, super bullish. 162. As you can see, stop loss was 161.13. So about here, could have had a tighter stop. Should have put a tighter stop, but it was just by 20 cents. So with slippage and everything, dollar stop was fine. So I came up $1. Didn't have time to take a partial and just let this completely go against me, dude. Since I got filled at 13 cents, by the time it hit my dollar, I was only up like 85 bucks instead of 100. So came down, stopped me out, MMM for a $145 loss. Um, uh, Now, what the SPY was doing at this time, if we take a look, so 940 over here on the bottom left, we were trending up. So we can see 940, we were getting some buyer volume, a bounce off of the support level. We were having a continuation on this candle was 941. So if we go 941, we can see also a continuation. And then we had a big surge to the downside. And that's what caused me to get stopped out. Um, uh, what it looks like today, if I go over just a quick market analysis, it just looks like breakouts aren't working to hit target. If you're gonna take a breakout during times like these, be very cautious. I wouldn't wait for the pullback. I just take profits whenever, unless you get it on the first pullback of the day. As you can see, like this, push up, first pullback of the day, you hit 2 to 1 target. But when you're just trying to look for a bigger move necessarily, I don't think it's just not working right now. So I think I'm just gonna start looking for more short trades. I'm just gonna become more short biased and just trade on the short side because this is where the real continuation is happening, and it looks like the market might turn around and head to the lows as of now. And I just want to be ready for it. So, and breakouts are not going to be working during times like that. They're not going to be working efficiently, and they're probably not going to be working profitably. So, um, I think shorting is the wave. I think shorting is the move right now. So get ready to short because shorts, I mean, longs aren't working for the most part. I mean, for like continuation, I said they were working, but okay. So now here, I'm very good with trading RCL. Like I found a lot of success, but the thing is, I found a lot of success to the downside trading this stock. So I came into the stock confidently. Um, Notice it had one rejection of 43, came down via higher support, started consolidating, looked like very bullish. So I just decided to get in at $43, look for a breakout. Um, I had a 20-cent stop, and this moved a little quicker than 20 cents. Lost about like 22 cents or something like that. But um, why I went long on this stock, I could just say is, well, if you look at the daily chart, you have a series of higher lows, and it was gapping up on the day, and it was a green candle. So I was just anticipating a continuation to this move and possibly a move to 50. So yeah, I was risking 20, 30, 40 cents, right? Lost 120 bucks, but I feel like this stock could have moved all the way to 50 bucks, and 7 points risking less than $1. I could have made 20 to 1. I would have held it 100%. I would have held it. But this is what if. So this is shoulda, coulda, would haves, right? Didn't happen. Took my L and just walked away. So yeah, finishing the day down 400 bucks. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be leaving my free Discord community down below. It's a community of like-minded individuals, people that like to trade stocks. If that interests you in any way, um, yeah, I'll leave that down below for you. So we'll see you there, and once again, thank you for watching.